Hello guys, how's it going? Today we're going to take something so important. It is about automation your work in AutoCAD. This actually can save you a lot of times. We're gonna talk actually about the Lisp in AutoCAD. I already make this Lisp. This Lisp is calculating the quantity. It is for quantity takeoff for the layers. It can calculate the area of the layers, linear length, and quantity. Now I have a drawing here. It shows like 6 things actually. Let's just figure out in the layers. It shows electrical, green area, plots, roads, sewer lines, and water pipelines. Let's just go and this okay. So this is the layers. Layer 0 is the text. Layer electrical, it is the red one. Then green area, it is this one. Plots, it is this one. Roads is this. Sewer line is this, and water pipeline is this. Just let's get back. Now I want just by one click calculate all this quantity and put it in the nice and beautiful tables. I don't need to do anything else, just one click to make this tables with the layers names and quantity of each layers. Let's just get started. The first thing, I need to upload the Lisp. I already make the Lisp. I'm gonna attach on the comments on the descriptions. You can guys upload it. You can use it. It's going to be available. The first thing, I just make it. I saved it on my local files. How to recall it? The first thing, I just hit upload. Then choose the files of this Lisp. Then just hit it, layer quantity, then load. Then one time I already load it, so it's fine for me. Just like this and load it. Load. Then you need to just write LQT. This is LQT. It's gonna prompt select object to measures. I need to like choose all this stuff, then enter. Include layers that have no length or no. Table text height 2.5. Yes, enter. Then pick the top left corner. I would like to put it here. So I got the control arrow down. I got the tables here. It is just by one click I calculate all the layers here. I'm gonna go to the layer here, double click, the mouse wheel, double click. It shows me the quantity takeoff for each layers. The first one electrical, it is object 2, length it is 286 meters, area 0 0. For the green area, it is 2 objects, 748 meters. It is actually area, it is 6,255, or by hectares, it is 0.6 hectares. So this is just would make your work easy by automated. Use the Lisp down. I'm gonna attach it. Thank you very much.